Hi, it's Mario, and today we're going to explore an important term in real estate investing that I think you should remember, and that is performing notes. But maybe you still ask, what exactly is a performing note? Simply put, a performing note is a loan where the borrower is making their payments on time, every time, according to the agreed upon terms when the loan was made. This means the borrower is current on their payment, and the loan remains in good standing. Performing notes is also a popular investment because they provide steady and predictable income streams. When you invest in a performing note, you're basically acting as the lender. You're the bank. The borrower sends their monthly payments directly to you, which includes both principal and interest. This consistent cash flow can be a great source of passive income. And one of the biggest advantages in notes is that you don't have to deal with the typical headaches of real estate ownership. There's no need to manage tenants, handle maintenance, or worry about those property vacancies that might come up. The underlying real estate serves as the collateral for the loan, providing you security for your investment without the headaches that comes with owning it. But now you might still wondering, what about the risk? Well, compared to non-performing notes, where borrowers have missed payments or maybe in a default position, performing notes carry significantly less risk because the borrower is meeting the obligations on time. However, like any investment, it is still important to do your due diligence. Review the borrower's payment history, the terms of the loan, and the value of the underlying property. Investing in performing notes can be an excellent choice for investors who want reliable monthly income without the stress and responsibility of being a landlord. It's also a way to diversify your portfolio with an asset backed by real estate, but without owning the property itself. So let's quickly sum it up. Performing notes are mortgage loans where the borrowers make regular payments, timely payments. They offer investors steady cash flow, lower risk compared to non-performing loans, and a hands-off approach to real estate investing. If you're curious about notes in general, or want to learn more how performing notes work, or want to explore opportunities in this space, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help you get started on your investment journey. Lastly, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights on real estate investing.